after Donald Trump read the Riot Act to Pakistan on supporting terrorism in Afghanistan. Imran Khan has said that America is reading the plot incorrectly. Imran Khan has said Trump talk sounds similar to India. Pakistan is extremely miffed at the fact that the United States sees a bigger role for India in Afghanistan, and this is Pakistan's worst nightmare. And Imran Khan has spoken out against the US President Donald Trump's new, well thought out Afghan strategy. I want to quickly cut across to India Today's Hamza Amir, who joins us live from Islamabad for more on this breaking story. Hamza, the United States has read the Riot Act to Pakistan on supporting the Haqqani network and Afghan Taliban, and now instead of the Pakistan army, you have perhaps someone who's seen as a front, Imran Khan, reacting. Bring us details, Hamza.
Well, Gaurav, Imran Khan has done a press conference today and he has lashed out at not only Trump but also has said that, Trump's authority provision to India to actually do economic development or have more presence in Afghanistan is something that it shows that he has no sense of the situation and dynamics of the region, because he says that Pakistan is the frontline fighter in the war on terror, shares the border with Afghanistan, and India's presence increasing in Afghanistan is going to be a concern. So he actually does not want to buy that argument. Secondly, he has also said that Pakistan needs to take an important step forward this time to join together and come up with a more positive, stronger response. He said Pakistani government of ruling party did not actually come up for hours with a statement. Because China actually came up. So Imran Khan making it very clear that not only Pakistan as a whole, including Imran Khan himself, are on this point at one point agenda that they are not going to accept Trump's allegations on Pakistan. They also will be actually concerning, and they also have serious concerns on India's presence in Afghanistan being increased by US itself, because they say India is going to be the takedar of Afghanistan.
And that is where absolutely, Hamza, for the moment, many thanks for joining me, because that is where the United States is twisting Pakistan's tail. What hurts Pakistan the most is a bigger role for India in Afghanistan. This is Pakistan Army's worst nightmare if it's flanked by India on either side. And that's exactly what Donald Trump is doing as part of his new Afghanistan policy, because a decade and a half plus of Pakistan-sponsored terror in Afghanistan post the 2001 World Trade Center terror attack sponsored by Afghanistan's terror groups, and Pakistan continues to support terrorists in Afghanistan. Now Donald Trump says it will not be business as usual, and this is giving Pakistan sleepless nights. Pakistan desperate to shift focus to Kashmir, but Donald Trump, unlike leadership in the past, is, at least as of now, saying the focus must remain on Pakistan-sponsored terror, and Pakistan must take action against the Haqqani network and the Afghan Taliban. What is terroristan's worst nightmare? Take a look.
Trump's thundering warning to Pakistan, dragged over the coals by the world's most powerful man for its historic nurturing of terror. Terror haven Pakistan exposed before the world. And this time round, Trump made it absolutely clear that US will no longer remain silent on Islamabad's open terror support. To make things worse for Pakistan, a day after Trump's stern message on tackling terror, America has warned that Pakistan could lose its status as a non-NATO ally if it continues giving terror a... And the cherry on top, Pakistan was also snubbed for using India as an excuse to justify supporting terror groups. Smashed in public by its so-called ally, a panicked Pakistan has played a ludicrous victim card. Islamabad today went on to defensive, claiming that no other country has done more than Pakistan to combat terror. Pushing the drama even further, the terror funding nation added that the US has ignored Pakistan's so-called enormous sacrifices in the war on terror. Completely exposed and cornered, Pakistan now seems to be busy in blaming India. Trump, now talking tough to Pakistan, has clearly alarmed the hardliners and military who run the country. The question now is, will Trump put his money where his mouth is?
Donald Trump's invitation to India to come to Afghanistan and increase their presence when it comes to economic stability and production of Afghanistan has raised eyebrows in Pakistan. Pakistan government on one side has condemned US's allegations on Pakistan on harboring terrorism on Pakistan soil. Analysts say that increase of influence of India in Afghanistan is going to be counterproductive, as Pakistan has also got serious reservations of Indian presence in Afghanistan, which they say is going to be counterproductive when it comes to stability and peace in the region. This is Hamza Amir in Islamabad for India Today.